Stop wasting time scrolling through channels you never watch. Today, I'll show you how to declutter your YouTube TV guide in just 3 steps. I'm Roberto from Sleek Guides. Removing unwanted channels is the fastest way to get to the content you love. Let's dive in. Step 1. On your computer, head to tv.youtube.com. Note that you must use a browser for these official settings. Avoid third-party optimizer apps as they pose security risks. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. We're looking for the Live Guide controls. Step 2. Choose Live Guide from the sidebar. This is where your custom lineup lives. Make sure you are using official terminology to avoid confusion. Ensure the custom view is selected. This allows you to hide specific channels without deleting them from your subscription entirely. Step 3. Simply uncheck the box next to any channel you want to remove. These steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. While you're here, you can also drag channels to reorder them, putting your favorites right at the very top for instant access. Once you're done, your new guide will automatically sync across all your devices, including your TV. No need to save manually. If you encounter any issues, contact the official support line at 83338-92054 or visit the official support URL shown on screen. Always stick to official platforms. Third-party recovery services or unofficial apps are often scams and can compromise your personal data. For more utility-focused tech guides, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto, and I'll see you in the next one.